Okay, welcome to the next video. Get my torch on. This is the KG Detector video to show you what it does. This is mini load for KG Detector. I'll just show you what the KG Detector does. Make sure you like and subscribe. This is mini load, 2 items. So it's below half load. So it has 3 sensor settings. In fact, no, it has about 4 or 5. This is a Candy 7kg Smart Touch. That second symbol next to the clock, the timer, that's the kilogram logo. Just before the lock, like child lock thing. There we go, can you see it? It's just clicked off to 42 minutes. Now it's just going normal when you do put nothing in, it does sense about 36 minutes. So thanks for watching this video. That's the KG Detector sensing video complete. Subscribe, I'd much appreciate it.